Welcome to Unbeatable Quotes, the channel where inspiration meets wisdom. 1. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. 2. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. 3. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. 4. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. 5. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. 6. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. 7. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. 8. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. 9. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. 10. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. 11. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. 12. Loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. 13. Accept whatever comes to you, woven in the pattern of your destiny, for what could more aptly fit your needs. 14. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. 15. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. 16. Confine yourself to the present. 17. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. 18. When you are offended at any man's fault, turn to yourself and study your own failings. Then you will forget your anger. 19. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. 20. The most complete revenge is not to imitate the aggressor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a life-changing quote. Let's make each day extraordinary together.